I missed
You
it
have a
too.
friend there, huh?
Oh yeah, every time I come here, and they told me, well, she's not really friendly, but with me she is. She's super sweet. She always come. Sometimes she stay with me.
She's not normally friendly with me,
But because you hold her, I let her do her thing. You know what I mean?
Right.
I just ask her to come. Then she's
but she has to be in control.
yes, cats, right? That's what they do. We are their pets.
She's the only one that understands her.
Oh, beautiful day, Paul.
Okay.
So that's Coco, my friend here at Cottages by the Sea. It's a beautiful place. Take a look. I stayed here the first time I came to the island, actually. Me and Alon, we filmed many. That's Coco. Many videos from here when we were deciding what to buy or not. So take a look at the view. It's astonishing. But it's so beautiful. And just to have a little break from the construction and everything, I'm trying to book here because I'm a little bit tired of work and sleeping in an air mattress. It's hard, guys. It's beautiful, but it's hard, trust me. It's not a joke. I'm not here on vacation. I'm working on the container and keeping my work, my other work, fully active. So it is like 10 hours of regular work plus like 1 or 2 hours of building construction. Then on the weekend I'm able to do a little bit more, but this weekend I will try to rest. Super tired. What's going on, Coco? You missing me? I missed you too, Coco. Ah, gee. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. She likes me. Right, Coco? Good girl. That's Coco. Watching me. Hi, Coco. She misses me. You miss me, girl. Come on. Right, you miss you too, Coco. This is my girl. You good? You wanna come? Come on. Come on. Yeah, good girl. And they say you're not friendly. They don't know you and me, right? Coco. Look, she's a little bit cross-eyed. You know? It's like, oh, you're gonna make your bed on me. Okay, that's good. Just don't do the paw stuff on me. No. That, go. Not that. You're gonna go. She was literally making bed on me. It's funny, every time I sit here I think it's Coco, but now it's a statue. But it tricks me. I think it's Coco. Coco is there. Coco loco.